Good morning, students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapeeth channel. We all are excited in our this new channel because as you praised us a lot in our past channel, as you know that Social Science with NK sir, and my team is very glad that for your appreciation messages, because as you praised us that you got good performance and you got benefits from our contents and teaching materials, which help you to get good marks in your term 1 exam. So as you requested, my team is made this channel Social Science Vidyapeeth channel, and as you know that our first channel is Social Science with NKSR channel. So in this channel, my team, as you requested, to made and upload some contents for your term 2 exam. So many videos are already uploaded and some videos are already recorded. So it will be uploaded very soon. And I hope you all have subscribed this channel also, Social Science Vidyapeeth channel, and along with that Social Science with NKSR channel, because every day my team upload many videos in both the channels. So if you will subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of newly added videos. Okay. So today my team is ready to record one video of class 9 geography drainage. So as I always suggest you, you should sit with one notebook and pen, so that you can evaluate yourself how much you understood from this chapter drainage of class 9 geography. Okay. So I hope you all are ready to write the answer, and you can evaluate, and you can give 1 mark for the right answer. And shall we start now? Right. So the question 1 is, which tributary of Indus originates from Himachal Pradesh? Which tributary of Indus originates from Himachal Pradesh? And your options are Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Chenab. So I hope you all have written the right answers. So those who have written right answer, you will give 1 mark for yourself, and the right answer is Chenab. Chenab, it's a tributary of Indus and it originates from Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Moving toward the next question, what is the largest tributary of Ganga? What is the largest tributary of the Ganga? And your options are Godavari, Gandak, Mahanadi, Yamuna. And the right answer is Yamuna is the largest tributary of the Ganga. Moving toward the next question, which river is known as the Sorrow of West Bengal? Your options are Damodar, Indus, Tapi, Narmada. So your right answer is Damodar is known as the Sorrow of Bengal. Moving toward the next question, which river flows through Ladakh, Gilgit and Pakistan? And your options are Kaveri, Narmada, Indus and Brahmaputra. The right answer is Indus flows through the Ladakh, Gilgit and Pakistan. Indus river flows through the Ladakh, Gilgit and Pakistan. So I hope we have completed 4 questions. Most of the students, you have written correct answer. So those who have written wrong answer, you should correct it, and you should focus on these topics of this chapter, so that you will not miss this important questions correct answer in your term 2 exam. Okay. Next question, which river has no tributary? Your options are Narmada, Mahanadi, Yamuna and Chenab. The right answer is Narmada has no tributaries. Question number 6, which does a trellis pattern develop? When does a trellis pattern develop? And your options are when the river channel flows the slope of the terrain, and when a river joined by its tributaries at approximate right angle, when a pattern develops on a strongly jointed rocky terrain, and when streams flow in different direction from a central peak or dome-like structure. So I hope you all must have written the correct answer, and the correct answer is when a river joined by its tributaries at approximately right angle, so a trellis pattern develop. Okay. Moving toward the next question, the headwater of the Ganga. The headwater of the Ganga is called as Bhagirathi, Alkananda, Gangotri Glacier, none of this. So these are your options. And the right answer is Bhagirathi, the headwater of the Ganga. The headwater of the Ganga is called Bhagirathi. Moving toward the next question, name of the drainage. Name of the drainage pattern that resembles the branches of a tree. So your options are dendritic pattern, rectangular pattern, radial pattern and trellis pattern. So the right answer is dendritic pattern drainage resembles the branches of a tree. Okay, this is the right answer, dendritic pattern. Moving toward the next question, which one is not the tributary of the Krishna? And your options are Koyna, Musi, Tungabhadra, and Divan. The right answer is Divan is not the tributary of the Krishna. So, next questions. Where do the Ghagra, the Gandak, and the Kosi rise? And your options are Punjab Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya, Himachal Himalaya, and Kumaon Himalaya. The right answer is Nepal Himalaya. So, the Nepal Himalaya, Ghagra, Gandak, and the Kosi rise. I hope you all must have got the full marks till here. We have completed 10 questions. So those who have missed, as I always suggest you should see the inside topics of this chapter, so that you can answer the MCQ based question which are prepared from the inside of the topics. Okay. Moving toward the next question, the Sundarban Delta is the home of which animal? Your options are Royal Bengal tiger, one horn rhinoceros, Tibetan wild ass, and next is Asiatic lion. The right answer is the Royal Bengal tiger. Next is, which one of the following rivers makes the second largest waterfall in India? Your options are Mahanadi, Tungabhadra, Kaveri, Yamuna. So the right answer is Kaveri rivers makes the second largest waterfall in India. Okay. Moving toward the next question, the river Brahmaputra is known as Jamuna in Des, Tibet, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. So this river Brahmaputra is known as Jamuna in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the correct answer of this question. Moving toward the next question, which one of the following is the westward flowing river of peninsular India? Your options are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Narmada. The right answer is Narmada is flowing towards the west of the Indian peninsula. Okay, so student, these are the important MCQ based questions which are prepared of this class 9 drainage chapter of geography. I hope these questions will be helpful for you to get good marks in your term 2 exam. We'll meet in the next MCQ based question of a different chapter. Thank you.